Good morning, awesome and beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Hatie and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm really excited for this vlog, guys. You can't see it all over my face, but inside I'm really excited for this vlog. It is my birthday month. I already planned the photo shoot. Today is Friday. My photo shoot is there. It will be there on Tuesday. I'm really so excited to show you guys this vlog. If you're not yet subscribed, please tap on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new videos I'll be uploading. This vlog is a birthday photo shoot preparation. So first I'm going to be making my nails. My nails are really so messed up and they are really breaking. They are so damaged, so I don't know what I'll be doing with them, but we shall see what we shall be doing with them. Before making the nails, let me show you my outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this Nike t-shirt, pink in color. I'm adding new colors in my wardrobe, which I always don't have, but I'm in love with this pink. I love the fact that it has this Nike logo. I'm pairing it with these biker shorts. I really love biker shorts. I don't know the shoes I'll be wearing with them, but I think I'll be putting on some sneakers. If not sneakers, I'll be putting on some slides. We shall see what I'll go with. See you after doing the nails. Ciao.
I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young. I'm young.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. I was supposed to do a photo shoot yesterday, but my hairstylist told me he doesn't work on Monday, so I cancelled and extended the photo shoot today, which is Tuesday. I'll be going to fix my hair today. They will be installing a wig on me. I'll be going to Mbajashon. He's a celebrity hairstylist. I'm really excited, you guys. I think nowadays I changed my style. Can I call it style? Yes, I changed my style, let me say that. These days I really love celebrity stylists to work on me, from nails to hair to clothes. Yes, so yeah, I made, by the way, if you didn't know, I made my dress from Shamtyra made my dress. I'll be inserting her Instagram in the description box below. Everyone who has worked on me on this photo shoot, I'll be inserting their Instagrams down below in the descriptions. You guys, I'm really so excited. I don't know whether I showed you my nails, but these are my nails I made. So yeah, I can't focus on the camera. Outfit of the day, this shirt, it's kind of like a men's shirt, but it's a ladies shirt, I can say. Plus this, it's kind of short skirt I'm wearing. It's a leather skirt. I love my outfit, so let us go for our hair appointment. I'll be showing you guys everything, and I will be showing you how my look turned out. See you guys at the salon.
I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to
update. My hair is done. I really love the way it has turned out. Guys, comment down below how I look, how my hair is. I like the fact that they've made it a big bun behind here, and these, how are these called? They look so good, so nice. We've actually already checked into our hotel room. We are at Sky's Hotel Naguru, so I'm just excited and happy. I'm waiting for my makeup artist to come, then we do our makeup. He's on his way. He'll be here soon. I'm waiting for also one of my friends who is going to help me with everything. So I'm excited for the shoot, guys. Let me show you outside where I want the shoot to be. See the view. We are on the 3rd floor. Our photo shoot is going to be around this area. This area here. We shall be doing a photo shoot there. It's something like it's a rooftop view. It's a rooftop. Yeah, they can also do photo shoots there. I'm just so excited for this photo shoot. My hair really looks so beautiful, guys. Oh my god.
We're still so young. I'm still so young. I can't rewind, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too